Today we're eating fried sushi and salmon nigiri. Eel sauce, hot mayo. That's your bite. It has cooked salmon on the inside and raw salmon on the outside with a nice grilled shrimp. I guarantee you there's not many things in life that I'm gonna eat that's better than this. Oh my God. That's your bite. Space Bistro puts this nice pepper jelly on top of their nigiris. I got this combo from Space Bistro in Rockland, Massachusetts. There's none better in the state. Absolute perfection. 10 out of 10.